Culture at ICS shows up in the way the work gets done. It is a technician asking for a second look instead of guessing. It is a team member helping solve a problem before it reaches the customer. It is answering the phone, following through, and owning the result.
I mean, the culture is definitely set at the top, and it almost just kind of comes down to do unto others as you'd want them to do to you. So as far as the culture that we set, it's rooted in things that we've been technicians before. We've been different types of managers, so that when we treat our employees, that we would expect the same in return.
The work we do requires precision, but it also requires people who care. People who pay attention to the details, people who support each other, people who understand that every calibration, repair, and certificate has a customer depending on it.
I would say it has created an environment that our employees appreciate. They could come to work every single day knowing that they're making a true difference and that, one, they're not a number. They're producing a product that they could be proud of. I like to tell people, at the end of the day, I really want to go home and look at myself in the mirror and say, you did the right thing. And I'm really proud that we can create that environment where our employees could go home, look in the mirror and say, hey, I did the right thing today. I wasn't asked to do something that was shady, not correct. They know that Dave and I have their back every single day to do the right thing, and we encourage that.
At ICS, culture is not about what we say. It is how we show up. For the work, for the customer, for the team.